All right, hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mark Gray from TWIM. Now, how many times have you got this message from Godaddy, which says your Godaddy renewal notice, and it says your domains are about to auto renew, and then you look at the cost, and in this case, this one is 22.99 euros, which is about $25. It's not a huge amount, but it is like three times what I paid for the domain. And this domain is about 5, 6 years old. So GoDaddy know that I really need to keep this domain. Okay. I don't like the way that they push the prices up. I have one domain that when it renews will be like 40 euros because it's 10 years old and they know I don't want to lose it. So I don't like that they have that mentality. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to move this domain um, from GoDaddy to Namescheap, which is a lot cheaper. Now, this is something you can do at any point that you want to, but I would recommend that you do it when you get like the 8 day notice or the 10 day notice. Just simply because if you've already paid for the domain, you might as well let GoDaddy keep hosting it until it's time to transfer. Like you saw with the email that I got, they're telling me that it's going to auto renew in, what is it, 5 days, something like that. So, yeah, I want to get this going. So, I already started, guys, but I'm going to go through it again and hope that I'm able to show you exactly what I did. Okay. So, let's just go to GoDaddy. I have two domains in here. I will be moving both of them well, I'm moving one now, sorry. So you would just, I guess, click on the domain. Remember, everybody's going to log in. It's going to look slightly different, but I'm going to show you the screen that you want to get to. All right, so let's just go. This is TWIM. This is the domain that I want to transfer. So I'm going to click here. Now, this is where you can see here domain settings. All right, this is what you want to click. Okay, when you get to this page, and you know, it might be slightly different on yours, but you want to be clicking the same things. So for me, I just had to scroll down here. It says here domain lock. All right, so they are trying to keep you with them. All right, GoDaddy, that's what they want to do, obviously, so they can charge you more and more for the domain renewal. So you want to turn this off. Then you want to click transfer to another register. Okay, now this page is going to come up. It really doesn't say much. Step 1 of 2, transfer checklist. We blah blah blah. We'll email you confirmation when your transfer complete, not usually more than 5 to 7 days. Now, the domain will not go down because when we transfer the domain, we're transferring all of the DNS setting, the domain name server setting. So we don't have to worry about our website going down, okay? Which is great. So now here on the bottom right, you can see there is a black continue button. So just click on that. And that's going to open up this new page. All right. And what this says up here is click here to see authorization code. That's what you want to click. And they're going to say, we also sent your authorization code to the administrative email. Okay, my email, whatever. Okay. Now this you want to copy to a clipboard or copy paste somewhere. I have put it very safely here. Okay, you can see it twice, but I wanted to check when I was doing this test that it is the same one. So it is the same one, so that's good. Now what we need to do is get this domain transferred. All right, our next step is to be inside of our Namescheap account. Okay, so you're just going to log into this the usual way. up here, I'm already logged in. Once you're logged in, so I'll just check that I still am, you want to go to transfer to us and you want to go transfer domains. Now, here is where you would put the domain that you want to transfer over. So for me, it's twim.net. Okay. And I'm going to click transfer. Okay. Coming up. All right, so we can just quickly have a look over this yourself. All right, I didn't do, I've not done this yet, so I should do this myself. GoDaddy LLC is the current register. Okay, the domain is unlocked. All right, brilliant. Domain contact information. So we're gonna put a tick in this little box. So by requesting my domain to be transferred, I agree for Namecheap to retrieve my domain's contact information. So all of the contact information that we have with GoDaddy. This is where we put our authorization code. Okay. Now, what we want to do is we want to click here. If you can't see this, it says verify auth code. Okay. Click that. And it says, okay, congratulations, your domain twim.net is eligible for transfer. Brilliant. Okay. And if you can't, you can see the price down here. So it's $12.98, not 22.98 euros. So yes, absolutely. I want to add to cart, which is what this button says beside it. Add to cart. Now, the subtotal, as you can see, is $13.16 because they're charging me a $18, an 18 cents fee for ICANN. That's fine. Now let's view cart. Okay, brilliant. There's not much to look. This is the thing, when you go to GoDaddy, they always have these things like web hosting. It's already checked. So you have to uncheck all of these things with GoDaddy. Again, another reason why I dislike them. Okay, so I'm just going to check this. All right, free forever, domain privacy, ICANN fee is there, 18 cents. Confirm order, yeah, let's go. Okay, now all I'm going to do is I'm going to just check out here with PayPal, or I think they have my bank account, but that's it. That's how you do it. So it's going to check out. I'll probably have to do some phone stuff here, so I'm just going to pause it. And that's us, guys. That's us now transferred one domain over from GoDaddy to Namecheap. Very easy to do. I wish that I'd done this sooner, if I'm honest. I was always just too lazy in the past and would just say, whatever, just let it auto renew. But it is going to save you money over the long term. So I highly recommend that you do move your domains from GoDaddy to Namecheap. And remember, do it on like the last 8 days or something like that, okay? So that because it can take 5 to 7 days for the process to be complete. All right, and I checked, the website is not down, so there's no problem there. All right, thanks for watching. I hope this helps you out. I'm happy that I did this, and I'll do it for every domain that I have on all of my 10 GoDaddy accounts. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Remember to leave a comment or a question if you need any help, or just to say hi. It helps with the algorithm. And a like and a subscribe would be great. See you in the next one.